a short take on dermarollers. The roller heads are covered in short, fine needles that make little holes in your skin as you press and roll them over your face. These provide a minimally invasive method of delivering skincare products to your face, neck, or any places where you have thick, leathery, or wrinkled skin. The procedure is known as dermarolling, cosmetic needling, or microneedling. As with microdermabrasion, never use this on diseased or damaged skin. Never use over existing dermatological disease, like rosacea or eczema. To start with, this is not for the faint of heart to dive into. It is an effective tool that does have proven positive effects on your skin, but you should probably start with zero point 0.2 or 0.25 millimeter length needles. That is less harsh for beginners and still provides good results so that you can decide for yourself if this is something you want to pursue further. This procedure is typically done only once a week. Apply super premium moisturizer and eye serum after you roll out your face. Use a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid if you have dry skin. Most common complication of microneedling. There are not a lot of problems associated with microneedling, but hands down, contamination and infection of the skin is the most serious complication. This is easy enough to prevent, but after a while, people can just get lazy and not sanitize the roller or their face prior to treatment. This is a huge no-no. Just use regular common sense cleaning technique, soap and water, and an alcohol pad afterwards. Common sense is no longer common, have you noticed? It is better to perform your microneedling in the morning or early afternoon, so your skin has several hours to heal over before you lay your face on the pillow, which may have microorganisms on it that you would not want on fresh microneedling areas. It is easy enough to put on a clean pillowcase on your microneedling day. Keep your pillow under the covers or in a clean plastic bag during the day if you have a cat or other pet. Keep your roller clean, rinse it with warm soap and water, then rubbing alcohol, and store in a clean and dry location. In its original box in a bedroom drawer is usually preferable to under the bathroom sink. Once someone sees great results from dermarolling, they usually want more. But never overdo it, because that will harm, not help you. It is the same as with microdermabrasion. A normal amount is good, but too much will hurt, not help you. Work into it slowly and see what you get. You usually get between 10 and 30 uses from a roller before the needles get dull and you will want to replace it. Our pick for best values: Cosmetica Skincare Instant Glow Kit. To start with, you probably don't want to spend a lot of money on a Dermarollers. This Dermarollers has 540 stainless steel needles that are 0.25 millimeters long and its own storage case and will only cost you $10. Or the Solaris Laboratories NY Microneedle Tool. This one will provide similar results for $15 to $22, but seems to be out of stock just about everywhere as of May 2024. Keep checking availabilities for yourself.